Say my name when it is around you, baby. Say I love you. You can see my name, see my name,
Say my name. When you come on shady, when you call me daddy.
You can see my name.
When you go shady, when you call my name, say my name, say my name. When you little shady, when I'm with my baby in the park now, in the boat now, it is summertime. Say my name, say my name. I'm with my lady, Simone is here. I'm with the OJ, Judan is here. Say my name, someone name.
This is a Nigerian. We're going to the river. We're getting some river. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel.
Summertime, 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 summertime. Here in the Bolton, we're in the park, going to the river. We're with the children and my baby is here. So I'm going to the river, going to the river. This is Bolton, this is summertime.
That's my baby.
Park. We are going river, going river, going river. Woo!
Yay! High five! High five! Yay!
High five!
Yay! High five! Yay!
High five!
Yay! So guys, the weather is nice. See, everyone is out and about. Look over there. Yeah. So this is Bolton, United Kingdom. So we are going.
Oh yeah, did I mention Bolton, aka England?
Yes, Bolton, aka England, yes. Beautiful flowers. I knew he was gonna do that. I knew he was gonna do that. I knew he was gonna do that.
Give to mommy.
Ah,
Thank you.
thank you, my baby. Give mommy a kiss.
Yay.
Give mommy a kiss. Kiss mommy. Mwah. Yeah. So that's the way to the river, guys. Take a look at the views. Beautiful. Yeah. So we are living. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Yay.
Please give me the camera.
So Robs.
Are you blowing up?
So Robs.
Yeah.
Do you know that man died quicker than woman?
Yeah. Everywhere. Everywhere.
Do you know the reason for that?
Because of working too much.
Mm?
Yeah. We work much. We don't sleep enough. We stress much. That is number one. And then social mistakes. We fight more. We kill each other more. Because all the wars that happen in the world, all wars are being fought by men. Wars are being made by men and fought by men. There are more men in military. There are more men that die of bomb and throw bomb and shoot.
Yeah.
So more men.
Because more men work in the military.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then come to accidents. There are more men that die in accidents too.
That's
Road
because
accident, work accident,
at least
even
talk?
social life accident like falling from
They
the.
won't talk. Okay. What you have to say, boy?
well, more men work in the military because my girlfriend's father, Aurora, yeah, her father, worked in the military. So yeah.
Oh. Anyways, let me answer some of this question. The reason why man die more than woman because they ignore things. Man tend to ignore a lot of things. Yeah. Sometimes they feel sick. Sometimes they feel, uncomfortableness in their body and they ignore it. They don't really go to the doctor. They don't check up a lot. But as we women, as soon as anything funny going on in our body, we go to the GP, we run to the doctor, while you man ignore it. That's why you find a lot of people just drop them and dead. And sometimes they don't eat properly, they don't take care of their health properly. Sometimes they drink too much, they smoke too much, they party too much, and things like that. And the next thing too, sometimes if you don't have your other half where I encourage you, like to go and do certain check, like go check your health, go check your BP, go do your prostate, and all of these things, then that I cost a hit too.
And although I've said it before, but I still want to emphasize on it so that it will be clear.
You can say man work harder, but women work hard too. You have some women work hard because yesterday that lady that come and fix my boiler was a woman, and I was so proud of her. I was so proud of her because she was doing a man job. She was literally doing a man job. So guys, this is where we are. Yeah, it's beautiful. See, Mother Nature. So this part where we live, it have a lot of nature, you know.
So,
Yeah, as I was saying.
depend on the kind of a job. A man that is electrician, a man that is fixing boilers, doesn't have any reason to. It's not a risky job. And a man that have a kiosk that sells sweetie, ice cream, and this is not a risky job. But how many percent of men are living that way? There are more percentage of men doing risky job than women. And there are more percentage of men doing physical labor than women. And we take it as our option, as our only obligation, as our, as our, not option. We don't have option. We don't have much option because we provide. It's in our nature to provide, and we work hard every day to provide. And just like every other thing, things that work hard, things that are being used more often and often get worn out, and then fade out, and dies off.
So see me look like a nice little Muslim lady. So this park have so many.
Be careful of that dog.
So many little tracks.
Are we going
down the
this way?
park.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Yes, wait, let me go show them a little tracks. So if you come over, if you look over there, there's a little track over there. I don't want to point because somebody's coming down. And then if you look here, there's another track. Another track. That's where people walk their dogs. Yeah. And if you go here, that's another track. Goes all the way. Beautiful walk, beautiful scenery. I might say beautiful scenery because I'm a black lady, but I like Mother Nature. I like quiet things. I like the countryside. It's more healthier.
To the river.
It's more fresher.
Right, river here.
To the river.
The river
The
is here.
is here. We'll go that way. We're going here first.
Go here.
I said we're going here first.
Go here first.
All right, you go that way and we'll go this way.
Here.
Yeah. So I like things like that. I like Mother Nature. Yeah. Back to our conversation.
Oh yeah. So men work harder, longer, and that's why they die quicker. Yeah, it's just like every other thing. You see, footballers. Footballers that play so hard, so with much energy, they get retired quicker than those that play gently and more softly, because all have its advantages and disadvantages. The quicker, the faster, the more.
So the moral of this the topic is take care of your husband. Yeah, take care of them. When you see they're working hard, take care of them. Not only when they're working hard, but in general, if you have a good person, just take care of them, look after them, appreciate them, show them love, show them appreciation,
And be nice to them. And they should be able to manage being taken care of too. They shouldn't allow it to get into their head and let them behave like if without them the world is not going to spin anymore.
Yeah, so that's the river, guys. It's kind of drying up because today was hot.
Yeah, it's dry a bit. It's been warm. It's been summer. So before now, the river gets up to here.
Yeah.
Well, now look.
I don't want you to be in there. I need you to come out.
I'm not even going down.
You know that the river can come down. A lot of water can just flush right in from there. Zoom.
Maybe that does not happen though. But it's okay.
But why does it get full sometimes?
It comes gently.
No. Ask anybody. Ask viewers and subscribers. When river come, even though it might not come now, but when river come, it not come gently. It's just like some tsunami. I what them call it.
but it doesn't come with that great force.
It does. It comes loom. You know in Jamaica, you know Mountain River come down and wash up people. It does.
I need
Never
to see
trust
it.
a river.
I need to see it.
Okay then.
believe it.
We will Google it. You keep on. I said that even though I tell you that beach, that sea that dries out, yeah. People go way out in a hit and then the beach just come and take with some of them. They say no, it don't come like this. It's a creeper. You know, I say nothing. Talk out to your little mouth. Talk. You know you love talk.
I have seen videos of river come, but they come like just mini floods, not something that will take you on a way up to take you on a way up to
But for him though, I can take him away. He's only small. You know me already, I'm overprotected. I'm an overprotected person. So, yeah.
Well, I hope the river doesn't take you away. It's just
Okay, you're not afraid. How do you want to go down this steep place? Eh? You're not afraid. Look at your height. Look at this steep. For me as an adult, I'm seeing this steep as so deep. And if I could imagine your height and your sense of, evaluating things, look, if I'm like this steep is so steep for me, and you're willing to go down there. Hmm?
Go. You said you should go.
Okay, let's go.
I don't want to go.
Not you. OJ saying his dad should go. So this is what it looks like, guys. Real country, you know. Real country me live in. I'm from the country in Jamaica. In Nigeria and Africa, they would say the village. Yeah, so I'm from the village in Jamaica, but our village don't be like Nigeria. Our village is very busy, very wild, like Kingston life as well. The people act like Kingstonian, but for the people in Kingston, they would still call us country girls. So I'm a country girl, you know what I mean? Yeah, just like in Lagos, they would say village girl. Yeah, so I'm from the village. Even though where I'm from, we don't have rivers. We have to go more into the country to see rivers. Yeah. So this is it. So this is a little town called Bolton. That's where I live, Greater Manchester. In the United Kingdom, it's more cheaper to live here, more affordable than living in the city, like living in London. I used to live in London for 18 years. For goodness sake, I have to run because it was too expensive. At that time, I was living in a 2-bedroom house and I was paying like over £2,000 a month for rent and bills and everything. So anyone planning on moving to the UK, this area is a good area to live. Rent is not so expensive, and we have other nearby villages like Bury, Wigan, and places like that where you can get to rent cheaper. Liverpool as well. Liverpool is nice place to live. Yeah, but it's not a good idea to live in London if you just newly coming to the UK, because it's very expensive if you want to work and save and have something back home or stuff like that. It's not a good place to live. I've been living there for a long time, so yeah. And beside from that, you have fresh air, healthier living, fresh food too. There's a market called Bolton Market where you get all the fresh foods, fish for all the Nigerians, Jamaicans and any other country people. Bolton Market, you get everything and everything fresh. Lots of meat, fish, vegetables, fruits and everything. Yeah. So we just decided to walk to the river. We just came from work, but we was at the park. So my son said he wants to come to the river because he likes this river, so yeah. So this is my Igbo man.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is my Jamo Igbo baby boy.
Nice
Yeah.
Jamaica.
My Niger Jamaican. Yeah, I know I become a Niger Jamaica too. Yeah? Yes.
Go. Go here. Go here. Sit down, let's go.
Jordan, you cannot stay there. We need to go now. You love the river love you too. Come. But you love the river. Come on.
Let me watch tape.
What?
10 more minutes.
Jordan, come now. We need to go. Robert needs to go home and eat. He's hungry.
I don't care.
And you hungry too. You haven't eaten anything.
I'm not even hungry.
And I need to go and feed my baby.
I'm not even hungry.
That's enough now. We come next day when it's hot. Jordan, I said come out. You need to listen, you know. And that's another truck. This place is so full of truck, you know. But I don't trust this bush. I don't trust this bush at all. I don't trust it.
Why?
Maybe snail in it.
Snail.
Yeah.
Snail.
Snail, I don't want to go like this.
Snake.
Snake, yeah.
Well,
Me always mix them up, you know. Snail and snake. Me always mix them up.
it's difficult for snake to survive in the very wet
Oh,
and cold country like
yeah.
this. Yeah. It's very, very difficult because they crawl on their belly on the floor, and if the floor is too cold, they just freeze up.
Yeah, but all comes in here like the Amazon bush.
The place is warm.
Australia and places like
Warm.
that. Oh, I
Warm.
see.
Yeah, warm.
Oh.
That's what breed them. They warm to breed everything.
Boy, guys, when I went to Spain, I thought I would not have seen any insect. But I went to Spain and I see lizards, the ones that live in the house. What we call them?
Wall gecko.
And we call them
Wall gecko.
we call them one different name at Jamaica. I can't remember. Yeah. But they live in the house. I was so frightened.
I didn't see it. I was walking past it, near it, but I didn't see it
Because I was thinking
until you pointed it out to me.
yeah.
Ah.
That means a scorpion did there now. You know, scorpion there Spain.
Yeah, because Spain is very hot,
Oh my
and scorpion lives in a hot weather.
That's why I love England, because you not see no insect. You will see flies and you will see ants. But they have a theory saying if you live in a house and there's a lot of ants taking over your house, it's witchcraft. That's what they said. I don't know, but that's what they said. So maybe witchcraft take me over enough time as well, because when I used to live in London, when it's summertime, I always see a lot of ants. Whole heap of ants. But this house where I live, I don't see ants.
Not much.
Yeah. And they have one
Did you
next.
sleep during the day?
Yes. And they have one next saying say if I see a bolt them a blow in the house, a witchcraft. So all of them something they happen to me. Cause me always see my bulb blow. Every minute them blow. No, seriously, you know. Seriously, when I used to live in London, all my bulbs in the house used to blow. And that same house, I used to see a lot of ants. Yeah, and whole heap of cobweb too.
Oh, cobweb.
Yes, and they say the same thing. If you see cobweb and them something in your house, you know, witchcraft. So guys, you can comment down below if it's true, because I'm not sure if it's true. Yeah. Jordan, I said it's time to go. You know someone will slap you now. Don't make me come take you out of the place there now. This little boy and water. Can you call him, please?
Let's pretend as if we are going there. We will come.
Alright then, bye. Stay there. Robert, come, let's go.
Let's hide behind
I
the
don't want to do that.
bush. You will come.
Can you please come?
Nothing is going to come out and take him.
You see, guys, even though it's bushy, look over there. You see, there's people exercising and having fun. Can't even see that. See, this is a busy way. Jordan, I said calm.
Go.
Calm. Tell him, say, calm. You see dog a come there?
2 dogs. 3. One is having stick in his mouth.
You see?
Yeah.
I should have leave it. Because normally the dog then going to the river go wash.
Yeah, so if
So
we
we should have
leave
leave you there. Where we going? This way.
this way.
Yeah, that's what we should have do. We should have leave him there, make the dog there. Make the dog then wash him. Wash with him. Yeah. Oh, this place is so nice though. Look at it's like the tree just round. Look. Do you see the design? You see?
Yeah.
It's like a design. It's just round.
Guys.
And then you have.
Yeah. So ladies, I can see myself. Break it down.
Mom.
Down. So
The next
You
place
see-
we're going is the exercising place.
if this place was a sea, like a big sea, this is where sinking things finally come to rest. Because in the sea there is all is not underneath. The seabeds are not always level. Seabed there is always high side and low side. You know? What are you
Okay.
saying?
He said go. Go. You know the fun. You see if people take it up on their head and really cut down this park. When the time hot, a lot of people could come here and sit while the river is there. You know. Yeah, but they don't even cut
It's only
it.
the sky you're capturing.
No. Why? Oh, my battery is dead. Oh, my battery is dying.